my cuzzies, it's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Hey, today we're off to find my favouriteest team in the world, the All Blacks. Hua ke tātou. Hey, cuzzies, look who I found. This is Sam. He's gonna show me what it takes to become the best All Black ever.
Kia ora hoa, no mai haere mai ki te Wairua o Pongo. Today we're going to see what it's like to make shape and be an All Black from the grounds root up. And no better place to start than Tifatu, the Motu stone. This has been gifted to us by Ngāi Tahu, and we've had it for the last 5 years. And when the All Blacks don't play, we're lucky enough to have this at the All Blacks experience, and this travels around with them everywhere they go around the world, and we invite people to come and touch it and give them mana and their aroha.
Cuzzies, if you're in town, come down here and put some of your mana and your aroha into the stone, just like this. All right, where to next, bro?
Come follow me through, Buzz. Let's go and have a bit of fun.
All right, come on. These are the changing rooms. They look exactly the same as the ones in Eden Park. Check it out.
Can you hear that? Here you go, bro. You've made the team. Let's see if you've got what it takes to wear the black jersey. Let's go.
That was amazing, Sam.
Buzz, it's game day. You've made the team. Let's go and see what you got, eh?
Okay, come on. Whoa! Let's work on our passing, eh, whānau? Come on. TJ's open. Yes, there we go. TJ's open again. Catch the ball, TJ. Okay, let's see if my lineouts are any better. Got it. Suck. Got it! Yeah. All right, my cuzzies, we're gonna kick some goals. Look what I got, 47. Oh, thank you, whānau. Now I'm gonna work on my agility. Let's go. Nice. Oh, I think I did really well today. Let's go see what the bro reckons. How did I do, bro? Am I an All Black yet?
I'll tell you what, Buzz, if you put that ball down, we've got a nice little surprise for you here. Look what that is.
It's the Rugby World Cup. Oh, I'm a champion. Hey, cuzzies, if you want a little bit of an All Black experience, come down here. See us next time. Ka kite.